Ficon brings efficiency to property maintenance. Climate change causes variability in the weather, which means that the equipment must adapt to the weather. Customers' demands for winter road maintenance are increasing. The response time of the service company must be short, and the equipment must be serviced. In the summer season, the non-toxic cleaning of streets and courtyards requires efficient equipment. The harsh conditions in the north require equipment to be durable and efficient. Ficon, the world's only hydraulic property maintenance attachments for pickups for all seasons, snow plows and grader blades, sand spreaders and tippers, and pressure washers. Ficon products will ease all seasons. During the winter season, snowplows, grader blades, and sand spreaders make moving safe in snowy conditions. During the summer season, streets and courtyards are cleaned of dust, leaves, and weed with non-toxic pressure washing.